Looking at the weather right now, not looking too hot. Gotta hit up Brooklyn and see what our plan is. We're probably gonna head up north, follow the snow. Starting to see some snow up here. I'm getting a little excited. We ended up at Whistler. Gonna link up with Brooklyn here soon as well.
Hello!
Yo!
Step one in the morning is stretching. No, step one in the morning is getting coffee and food and all the snacks prepared for the day. I have my own cooking show.
Yes.
Brooke the Cook.
Right.
For any long day of any activity, just making sure that you get a lot of calories. You need calories because you are spending a lot of time in the cold, so your body is working really hard to keep you warm.
I actually pack a jar of peanut butter, usually.
Oh, that's a great idea. So I like to wear all wool base layers.
Then I have a mid layer.
I'll probably wear a puffy.
And then my ski jacket.
We're gonna be skiing in bounds, but because I'm a backcountry skier and I have a beacon, I always put my beacon on.
I carry a backpack always. It's got snacks and water in here, extra gloves, helmet. I bring extra goggles. Don't want foggy goggles.
Goggles.
The point of skiing is having fun with your friends. It doesn't matter what you wear, as long as you're still having fun. As an adaptive athlete, most people are represented within only adaptive sports, but not the whole mainstream side of it all. So trying to bridge that gap between the two so more people have that visibility around different stories and people. Heck yeah, this is so cool.
That's sick. First step of skiing is just being okay with not fitting in, with looking like a fool, looking like a gaper. And that's when the most fun and the most play and the most progression and like the best days happen. If something goes wrong on the chairlift, just stay calm. Towards the end of the lift, there'll usually be a sign that says tips up.
I started skiing when I was 10. The first time I went, I actually saw another one-legged skier, which was kind of very coincidental.
That's like fate.
Skiing definitely helped my self-esteem.
You want to make sure that you have your eyes up, looking out, feet shoulder width apart, parallel to each other. You want to feel your shin up against the front of your boot. There's a lot of different ways to control your speed. Pizza and French fries, or you can do a hockey stop. I love being outdoors because it just like drives my curiosity. I think it's really important for young Black girls to see that. They can shred too and be all of themselves and still be skiers. And this is the best part of the day. That's pretty good. Zoop.
I'm Vasu Sojitra.
I'm Brooklyn Bell.
And this is how we go.